What's up, guys? Welcome to Palate, where you can find fast and easy to prepare home-cooked meals that are fresh and delicious. My name is Brian, and I used to own a gourmet food truck back in the heyday of street food. We used to showcase melts. Yeah, that's right. Glorified grilled cheese. And all that melty goodness will come to you in time. Today, though, we'll be working on specifically a basic ahi poke. Super easy, super delicious. Here it comes.
Okay guys, first of all, since the ahi is the star of the dish, we need a fresh product. Be sure the fish is sashimi or sushi grade. It's actually a habit of mine to smell the fish. It shouldn't have an off odor or smell fishy. If this is the case, it's most likely not fresh, and therefore in my opinion, it's no longer a high quality product. You can use the entire ahi steak for your dish, but I love to save some of it for sashimi. I consider it a precursor for what's ahead. Once I slice off my sashimi bits, I cube the ahi block. We want to shoot for 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch cubes. That looks so fresh and tasty by itself. Here goes my sashimi slices. That honestly tasted just as good as it looked. Now that we're done with our ahi, let's move on to our aromatics and other ingredients, which will give our poke several layers of flavor and texture. Starting from the top, we will incorporate these 9 ingredients: macadamia nuts, garlic clove, ginger, jalapeno, lemon, avocado, cucumber, green onion, and finally sweet onion. For our sweet onion, we want to slice just a small part of it and then prep this piece. The goal here is to end up with thin and small slices. For the amount of ahi we have, we want to add about 1/4 cup to the bowl. Thinly slice the green onion. I like to use the white bottom portion of it, but that's entirely up to you. We'll be adding about a tablespoon's worth to the bowl. I minced 1 garlic clove, but I forgot to add that bit here. I hate when that happens. Look at him. He's just staring at me like, seriously, man? Here, I used a teaspoon to remove the skin from the ginger. It's the easiest way I know. I used my microplane to grate 1/2 teaspoon's worth and added it to the bowl. I cut the ends off from this cucumber. Don't worry, I hate to waste food too. I usually eat them straight up while I'm prepping or save them for another dish later. Anyways, I digress. As you will see, I have sliced my cucumber so I could remove the soft and seedy bits. We want to aim for small pieces here. I added 1/4 cup to the bowl. Moving on to our bottled liquids, I used lower sodium Kiko, some sesame oil, and avocado oil, although I prefer olive oil. Slowly pour some of that Kiko, about a splash, a touch less of the sesame oil, and then finally, just a drizzle of that avocado oil. For some heat, hit your mix with a 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. I highly recommend Hawaiian sea salt. Add a pinch to the mix, or 2. How about 3? What the heck, 4 for good measure. Grab a spoon and lightly mix all those ingredients together. Yep, that's my daughter in the background. She's good company. Now that they have all gotten to know each other real well, you definitely want to have a taste. So in case you need to make any adjustments. If you're like me and you can stand the heat, slice up thin some jalapenos. Slice a flat wedge of lemon. You can either slice or dice your avocado, but I like to slice mine. I think it makes for a better presentation. The goal here is super thin slices, so you can achieve that by holding your knife up at about a 45-degree angle. Now, we bowl. Now we add our fanned out avocado, some seaweed salad. This here I bought from Costco. We sprinkle on some of that roasted sesame seed. Now we use our mortar and pestle to smash up our macadamia nuts. Now we add some lemon for acidity, tobiko. This is mainly used for a garnish. It adds that much needed pop of color to your dish. Furikake for more seafood flavor and texture. And here we go. Oh man, all those flavors married together, so delicious. And that ahi, it's so fresh. If there's anything I would do to further enhance this dish, I think it's perfect the way it is.
So there you have it, my version of ahi poke. It's fast, it's simple, and it's delicious. This is actually the same version that I use for my family over and over again. Please recreate this at home and tell me what you think. Or just take some of the standard bits and, then to build upon your very own. So good luck, have fun, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. I'd actually love to hear about maybe a spice mayo version that you would like to share. Thank you for tuning in on my very first episode of Palate. If you enjoyed the show, please like and subscribe. I'll come out with videos every week. Until then, guys, peace.